All right, so wrapping up our 5 minutes to better lighting, I just want to encourage you to finish off this series. Because you may have started this thing being a hobbyist, being a young professional, being someone who is older and getting into lighting, lighting a band, lighting for church, lighting for DJ, lighting for theater. It doesn't matter what you light or who you are. I want to inspire you and encourage you to create better lighting today. So I hope you've enjoyed these 30 days in the past, and today, day 31. And I hope you've learned something. Sure, maybe not every day applied to you, but I think the majority of the days should apply to most people. So if you've watched these, I just want to encourage you to put these things into action. If you've enjoyed what you've heard, you've thought about it, start to go through these videos, maybe watch them again, and think about, how can I apply these things in my lighting? Because it only takes 5 minutes a day to watch each video, but applying it is gonna take a little bit more. A lot of these tips and tricks can be done pretty quick, but again, it just takes you taking action, getting in front of your lights, and going. So this one's going to be a short video, but I just want to encourage you with that. And of course, if you've enjoyed this, if you enjoy the free stuff we put out here, I just want you to think about checking out Patreon, where you can be a patron of the arts and just help to make this channel grow and help me to make better quality videos, like, so I don't have that autofocus problem like I had a few videos ago. And also, if you're looking to take what you've learned here and you want to grow in your lighting, you want to shortcut your way to better stuff, and you want to be able to have that personalized communication with myself and other lighting hobbyists and experts in the forums, then check out Learn Stage Lighting Labs. You've probably heard about it, and it's a great way to help us out and to help yourself out. I've had a lot of people join lately, and I've heard from a lot of people how much they're enjoying it. Now, be sure you're subscribed here, and hey, we've got even more great stuff coming this next month of August and into the future. So I'm so excited for all the stuff we've got in the future. I'm excited for the 31 days we've just done, and I'm excited for you to create great lighting. I'll see you guys around the web. Thanks.